Today I'm gonna be trying out some of the most popular student food spots in all across New Delhi, like Momo at Donma Auntie's Momo, desserts at Wenger's, Korean food at Kori's. And starting with, we are gonna start our day with chai, as 80% of the Indian people do. And we are here at Sudamagi Chai, and as you can see the amount of crowd behind me, so I hope we get our chai in time. There's a lot of crowd here. I don't know kab chai milega, but that's how you come to know that this place is popular among students क्योंकि बस बच्चे ही बच्चे हैं. So thank you भैया. Also we got our chai. We waited this for around 15 minutes. We got the cooler one. This was for 30 rupees, and let's taste it.
Later.
To be honest, it is good, but I don't think it is that worthy of the hype, and I don't think 30 rupees I think is okay for a cooler, but I don't think the taste is that matches the hype of the Sudama tea stall. They did add many spices, and they also added rose petals, which I never knew were supposed to be in a chai. So I would give this a 7. So I'm done with my tea. Now let's go to the next destination. Don't litter. So for our second place, we are here at Big Yellow Door. We were supposed to go eat Chole Bhature, but the Chole Bhature place was closed. So we are here at Big Yellow Door. So let's go. So I asked the waiter what the students here eat the most, and he told us that students eat pizza a lot here. So we are gonna order one butter chicken pizza. I think which is something I never had. I had a butter chicken burger, but let's try a butter chicken pizza today. Look at the pizza. You know, to be honest, this pizza kind of resembles a naan, like with the cheese and the coriander. If like someone doesn't know that it is a pizza, they would obviously think that it's a naan. So let's grab a bite. Okay. When you take a bite of it, it does feel like you're having butter chicken with naan. But then as you start to really chew it, then you get the pizza flavor, and then at the end you get the butter chicken flavor again. So I think it's a really great innovation. I'm having it for the first time. I would give it a solid 8.5. So for our next place, we are here at Bistro 57. I personally really like their mojitos, so let's order some mojito. For my friend, I'm gonna order one cold coffee. Oh, thank you, yeah. So I've just received my drink, and we are drinking it on a bike, our trusty chair for the public, and let's see how it tastes. It's nice, like it is sour, sweet. To be honest, this was only for 80 rupees. Price is nice, the taste is good. I would give it a solid 9, because when you go to restaurants to buy drinks, they are mostly usually around 160, 180, which is on the very higher side, and this is very cheap comparatively. So yeah, 9 is a good rating. So right now we are done with the restaurants that were in the North Campus of TU. So now we are headed towards Connaught Place, Connaught CP, yeah, CP. So see you there. So we have reached CP, and we are going to a place which doesn't require much introduction. I have never been to that place before, so let's try it out and see how it is. How it is. Fuck you. Of course, I was talking about Donma Auntie's Momo. We are gonna buy chicken momo, half a plate of chicken momo, because we are already almost full, and we still have a lot of restaurants left to review. So let's get half a plate of chicken momo.
चटनी नहीं भैया नहीं
Thank you. So I have received my momo. They were calling it momos, but it's not momos, it's momo. So from the glance of it, this doesn't look like the street food momo that we get. It's quite big, so let's see how it tastes. I really thought it would be bad, but it's quite tasty. Look at the filling. The only downside is that it's not that juicy like a Tibetan momo, but still for 50 rupees you get 4 piece. I think it's on the pricier side, so I'm gonna give it 7.5. So just to switch up the pace, no, the switch up the so just to switch up the video, we are gonna be going to Wenger's behind me, and we are gonna have some sweet dishes, desserts. Like, let's see what we eat. So क्या खाना है जल्दी बोलो क्या खाना है. Let's have the spring roll. We're gonna choose one more, so let's roam around a bit and let's see what we can, because I think we're gonna have some more desserts. So we just got our token and we are gonna eat it now. No, take it, get it. Wow, thank you bhaiya. Thank you. So we got our Wenger's ready. We got eclairs, chocolate eclairs, and cream roll. So we're gonna find we're gonna find a place to sit and eat and review. We have got our chocolate eclairs and cream roll. So which one should I eat first? कौन सा खाऊं? First bite. When you eat it, you can't taste the chocolate at first. I don't know why, but you only taste the cream first. But then as you start to chew, bite, and then you get to taste the delicious and sweet chocolate on the top. Now, cream roll. Look how many क्या है design. वो word ही नहीं आ रहा. चल, okay. It's just like a normal cream roll. So these both were of rupees. Total was 260 rupees, and I think it is a bit pricey, but to be honest, the quality is there, the taste is there. So I think I'm gonna give it 8.7. Yeah, I think that's fair. So now let's move on to our next destination. So now we are gonna leave for Safdarjung, and I'm gonna buy a water bottle. So guys, please stay hydrated, because if you are not hydrated, you are not healthy. If you're not healthy, you're not wealthy. Okay, so enough of my talk. So I'm gonna leave now. So we are here at Safdarjung Enclave, or also known as Humayunpur or NCC Gate. And most of you guys told me to go to Koris, and now we are gonna go to Koris and have some of their food. So let's go. So we are here at Koris. There's one thing which makes me know that this Korean restaurant is better and other restaurant is not, is because of the Korean fried chicken. So I ordered one plate of Korean fried chicken, and also just to top it off, I ordered one chicken kimbap, because we don't eat vegetarian dishes. So now we are gonna wait for our food, and then yeah, after that we're gonna review, and then we're gonna go to the next one. I'm already full, so I don't know. I think I'll just have a bite and my friends will eat the rest. So here we have our Korean fried chicken, Yangnyeom chicken, as they are calling it. So let's do the taste. अब ये KFC चिकन की तरह लग रहा है, फिर उसके बाद सॉस में टॉस करते हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है. To be honest, this is giving me more of like KFC chicken vibe than a Korean chicken. ऐसा लग रहा है कि Korean chicken कम है और KFC ज़्यादा है. Here we have our chicken kimbap. Let's do the honors. And this is bigger than the size of what we get in mushroom hotelas. So yeah, I'm quite hyped for this. So it has radish, spinach, egg, kimchi, chicken, zucchini, carrot. It's the first time seeing zucchini in a kimbap. Get rid of the soy sauce. I mean, it's just a simple roll of kimbap, so I'm gonna give it a 7.5. So in this Pokeball we have fried garlic, radish, edamame, corn, avocado, tomato, same thing. We have carrot, we have rolled
Cucumber.
rolled cucumber. I don't know how I was gonna say zucchini. We have red cabbage. ये क्या है? What's this? We'll leave it later. And this chicken, and then we have our sauce. So now I'm gonna open the sauce, and now I'm gonna mix it.
A few moments later.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Oh, now we have finally mixed it. So let's have a bite of our Pokeball, chicken Pokeball. So I have here everything in this spoon. So let's eat it. I'm so lazy right now. I'm just gonna say I like it. I'll give it an 8. So we are here at our final destination, got tea, and we are gonna drink bubble tea. Also, if I have the capacity in my stomach, I'm gonna eat a dessert and then finish things off on a sweet note. So let's go inside. Hey, don't follow me. I'm gonna get this mango matcha regular. It's a new flavor, so yeah, I love mango. I don't like matcha, so combination is good. Let's see how it tastes. So we just ordered a bubble tea, and my friend had this card here. I got a free size up, so instead of a regular, I'm getting a large with the price of a regular. So yeah, it's already started with a good start. So we got a mango matcha. I don't like matcha, but I love mango. So I got one more sticker. So let me stick it. So now if I go here for another 4 more times, I'll get one free regular drink. So I think that's a good marketing thing. So yeah, let's open up. Let me just shake. I swear to God, if this not good, it's not good. I can smell raw mango. I think maybe it's just the matcha. There's a very, I think it's like 90% matcha and 10% mango, and that also mango is like desi mango flavor. I don't know if I'm sure, but that's what I'm getting, or maybe it's just me saying that indirectly saying that I don't like matcha. Oh, Abdul, check that. Huh? ना mango flavor नहीं है ना. Thank you guys for watching my video today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. I'll try my best to finish this drink, and bye. Is it open? Can I have one blueberry cheesecake and packet? Thank you. Yeah, take it. Oh, I got it, man. I was running from the metro so fast. I finally got my blueberry cheesecake. So guys, I'm here at Mashru Attila, back at Mashru Attila at Wongden, and not gonna lie, the last mango matcha that I drank, it was shit. Not gonna lie, it was really shit. And to really end the video on a sweet note, I bought this blueberry cheesecake. I bought it beforehand because I thought it was gonna be closed. I bought it really fast before the restaurant shut down. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog, videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.